Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Today we're going to review a program called Linkomatic. This is something that you can use for LinkedIn. You buy it and then it has an online web dashboard that you can log into, view all kinds of tutorials, and then there's also a Chrome extension, so you can only use this on Google Chrome, and this extension loads up and then you can go to your LinkedIn page and start applying the Linkomatic tools. And so what is it? Well, let's check it out here. This is the Chrome extension it's added. It's this little kind of like broken heart. And that's how I feel about the product. My heart is kind of broken about it. So let's go here. This is a plus sign. Adds the Linkomatic stuff. You got all kinds of different tools that you can use. One thing that I want to show you right here is this person here says, oh, they got a new job. And so you can congratulate them for starting a new position. This is right within LinkedIn, okay? And you just hit that and it's a comment on your way. If you know about LinkedIn a little bit, these things happen all the time. Someone has a birthday, it'll pop up for you. You can just click a button and send it. Linkomatic supposedly can do all this for you, which is what's really cool about it. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work. So let's just go to congrats on new job. You click this. It's really cool. Theoretically, it's awesome. So new job greeting, you can use these short codes. So I'll just go like congratulations at first name on your new job. I can type that in. I could add new position, whatever. Delay, this is like, let's say I have 100 connections or 1,000 connections and 20 of them got a new job today. I can do a delay of 30 seconds so that each one would have 30 seconds between it. That way it doesn't just have 20 messages going out instantly, because this is going to send them a message. Then this little button here, view profile, it like puts a notification that I viewed their profile even though I didn't. And so kind of like a little cheat or a hack. And so let's hit the send button and it says no new job notification found. Well, hello. This person right here just got a new job, so why didn't it send it? Obviously because it doesn't work well. Let's try the happy birthday one. See, again, this is cool. I've tried this before. It doesn't work either, but you can say something like, hey, first name, hope you have a great birthday. And then do a delay of 30 seconds between each message. We'll hit the view profile button, hit the send. No birthday found. Now, I don't know whether or not anyone has a birthday today in my hundreds of connections, but this is a very common theme. Anniversary, same type of deal. This is really cool. Congratulations for your years at the company. Send it. Again, doesn't work. So that's too bad. What they really are known for here, we've got message targeted users. So this is just way overly complicated, which is what I have a problem with on this. You can select an audience. Now, in order to select an audience, you first have to go to create an audience. The tutorial videos don't really give you a step-by-step, which is kind of unfortunate. It would be nice if it had a very broken down tutorial system. Now, he does have tutorials on each one of these things, like he clicks on it and shows you what it does, basically like this. Now, if you want to wish someone a happy birthday, click on this button. You can type this. You can use these codes. You can delay. You can view the profile. You can send, and that's it. And that's what it is. So he doesn't really explain what it is or what it's about. He just kind of shows it to you, which you can learn all that by clicking on it yourself. So, I mean, it was nice that he put all that together, but it needs to be a little bit more. And so if you purchase the product, you'll find that out. But this audience creation is something that you can type in a name. So let's just go, it's from a search. We'll just say this is going to be my LinkedIn. I have a lot of my deception books and body language, my YouTube videos, everything like that is posting here. And so I'm helping people read people, so we can do that. My search term, let's do detecting deception. All right, keywords, first name, last name, company, school. Nope, that has nothing to do with keywords, so we'll get out of there. Locations, doesn't matter where we want to go. We can leave that. First, second, and third connections, positive keyword. Here we go. we'll just do a couple. And maybe body language. Of course, we could get some negative, bad things there. We can maybe throw a negative, like, keyword there to counteract the body language. Of course, they're not going to probably post that on LinkedIn, so something like that. All right, start position, 0, sure, to go with the most recently added. Total, let's do 500. Add, oh, delay 30. Add. Oh, max per total is 100. So you can only get 100 leads at a time, which is very inconvenient because then you're going to be doing this literally all day long. So let's add this. And what happened? Scanning, please wait. All right, so I don't think, according to the tutorials, you don't need to leave this open. So let's close this. And then let's go to this stop bot. It sounds like it's cool, but this would be like no automation found, huh? So according to his tutorial, that automation that we just started to find the targeted users, we'd be able to click on this stop bot, and if like we messed up, we could find it here and hit stop, and it would stop that. But obviously, my message targeted user, well, none of the stuff that we just did worked. So if we try that, nope. See here. Yeah, so it didn't go, which is too bad. You know, get connection info, this thing is pretty cool, but again, you need to create an audience. So that's where we were, audience creation, create new audience, and we were supposedly creating an audience here, but it has a delay, so it won't be created yet, which is fine, but we can't do anything without that audience. Now, I created an audience a couple days ago, but apparently it didn't get put in here. So that's also very inconvenient because I've created a couple of audiences, and it seems like even if you create the new audience, they don't save. So once you leave this, it wasn't in there at all for me. Let's go to message targeted users. Actually, why don't we do all connections so that it's very simple. So select an audience. We don't have one because it doesn't save. So let's just see, it's all connections. So this would be everyone I'm connected to. Let's say we'll do a real generic, and I'll probably get a bunch of junk back, but that's okay. Start 0. Let's just do 10. We'll do 10 people. 30-second delay. Exclude message to, I could type someone's name and search for them. Let's hit send. Okay, and then we have this pop-up right here that didn't even say anything, so I have no idea if this is running or not. Let's go to the stop bot, message all connections running, and so here you could hit stop if you wanted. We're just going to stop it, so I don't need to send that generic message to 10 people. And so that's pretty cool. We can do that. Let me see if we can do one other thing, which is like finding some leads. So if we go to add connections, we can skip the audience. Let's type a search term, do body language, connect with users who liked. We don't need any of that. 0. We can do a max of 100. Connect to users based on keywords, and then we need to add some keywords for connecting. We'll just use one keyword, deception. Connect. Okay, total delay field, okay, 30. Connect. And no match found. So you're telling me there's no one on LinkedIn with the deception keyword. Let's get rid of the search term. Try it again. No match found. All right, let's try body language down here. I know that there are a lot of those. Connect. Total delay field cannot be empty. Okay, we got that. Connect to users based on keyword. We got the keyword. No match found. So again, you see what I'm saying is it is kind of a complicated system. It doesn't seem to work very well. And up until I found out about this pop-up right here of congratulate this person for starting a new position, and then it didn't work over here, that was when I said, all right, that's it. I'm making the review, and this product is not worth buying. Now, if you want to try it out, feel free. You can test it out. You got 30 days to get your money back if it doesn't work for you. Perhaps it really does work for you, and if it does, and you figured something out, comment below, let other people know about it. It's a really cool concept. It's a really great tool for generating leads and for automating stuff. The only thing, again, for someone, once one product like this comes out, a bunch more people are going to release it. And so for those people who may be watching this and then they're going to create their own, a couple feedback tips: make sure the stuff works, but then also it would be really awesome if you could set up like this work anniversary greeting, the birthday stuff, and leave it. Like you could create this, and instead of having to go in and hit the send button every single day and have it scan, if it could just be active on your LinkedIn account so that no matter what day it is, if I don't log in 2 weeks, if there was a birthday somewhere in those 2 weeks, it would automatically send that message. And that would be a true automation system that would be really worth having. If you could run this stuff and have it just set and leave it in the background and let it go and automate your system. So if you are going to create this product, or if you are the creator of Linkomatic watching this and you want me to help you out making new videos or something, let me know. And also take this feedback into consideration. If you rebrand this and you get it working and you want me to do a new review video, I'm happy to do that. So hopefully you guys like this video. Do so by clicking that like button, and also hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for future honest reviews on this channel. Thank you.